Hello everyone, my name is Monica Cecilia Vicaria Vargas, and this activity is for testing and evaluation in ELT course Phase 5 Practice Meaningful Experiences video. Introduction. This activity is developed with the aim of showing and telling about my pedagogical practices for the testing and evaluation in ELT course. This course is theoretical and practical. When taking this course, we get to practice our knowledge for a certain amount of hours in an institution and teach English to a group of students. It's wonderful and it helps us to gain experience and learn classroom management, class planning, and many more things that as teachers are important to know and manage before actually going out to the professional world. Objectives: to talk fluently about my pedagogical experience in the institution. The second objective is to evaluate my teaching experience with the students of third grade. These, I'm, these are my third grade classrooms, third A and third B. As you can see, these students are well behaved. They love English class. It actually was a really good experience because um, I used to work in this school and I had these students in preschool and first grade. So I knew most of them. There are some new students, but they actually remembered some of the things and instructions that I taught them when I was their English teacher. So it was great, and they love English class. They actually do love English very much. Okay, in this picture, as you can see, there are many words written in different pieces of paper. What they had to do is a present continuous challenge. For this activity, the students were divided into groups. They had to choose a team leader, receive the words, and wait for the teacher to give the heads up for them to start building 3 sentences in present continuous and in the shortest time. They were really motivated and they enjoyed this activity very much. The first part, I gave them the words and they had to build the correct sentence in the shortest amount of time. In the second part, after having the sentences, they had to disorganize all the words again and rebuild the sentences. And for the third part of the challenge, they had to write the sentences in a sheet of paper and give it to the teacher. In this case, to me. They had lots of fun in this game. This was another activity when we were seeing clothing vocabulary and how to build uh, a short text or say or describe what someone, he or she, um, were wearing. After I explained more exercises about describing what someone is wearing, the students colored some characters however they wanted and described their character in front of the class. Okay, so we did a lot of exercises, um, written exercises, individually and in groups, in pairs actually. And then they had to cut and color the character they wanted, man or woman, and they could color the character however they wanted. After this, they would write in their notebook um, how their character was described, and after that, they had to go up to the board and describe their character to the rest of the class. It was a really nice activity. And this was my goodbye um, gift. Um, it was really nice. I love these students very much. They participate a lot in class and they are very caring and loving with the teacher. It was a great experience. Thank you very much.